Just east of Birmingham, we ride the mini tail of the Dragon, 19 miles of curves from Leeds to Vincent, echoing the legendary route at Deal's Gap in the Smoky Mountains.
This stretch of Highway 25 earns its name, a mix of tight switchbacks and smooth sweepers, where elevation changes that twist and climb through the hills. There's even a U-turn warning sign, and it means it. The K1600GTL pulled through every incline with ease, and Wendy kept hanging on as we carved through all the colors.
At the high point, the views open wide, and somewhere along the way, we stop to admire painted mountain rocks tucked into the roadside. It's 19 miles of motion framed in autumn fire.